In the statement of claim, they sought legal title to the land, compensation for past use, and consultation on future development. The suit names Canada's Attorney General, the province, the city, and 2 corporations as defendants. A statement of defense filed by Canada's Attorney General on January 13th argues Dakota Tipi has not provided enough evidence for Aboriginal title to the Forks land. However, in a Monday phone call with APTN, Dakota Tipi Chief Dennis Pache said they're not backing down.
We're moving ahead. We have our archives. We have our source documents that prove and state otherwise about our history. We know our history, and that's why we're confident moving forward with the claims that we're making. We do have Aboriginal title, and we do have unceded territory. So there's a lot of precedences in courts, and every day there's a court decision that favors the government's honor regarding reconciliation even.